I mean, I
played like 5 minutes.
I mean,
minutes.
yeah, I've probably only played like 10 or so minutes.
Yeah, I got scared.
Then
I
I
was like,
got bored
damn.
because
A
it was on
guy?
peaceful
Oh,
mode.
I couldn't put on peaceful mode. I was scared of the noises coming from the woods.
Ah, don't be
Bro,
afraid. I live
bro,
in the
have you
woods.
seen
Wait,
the monsters? Have you seen the
wait,
monsters
I need
that
more
lurk in
I've
the
silence.
seen
caves?
them. I'm gonna jump
Those
them,
are
okay, guys? I'll hold them back for
terrifying.
you guys
I
to
need
run
more
away.
silence, guys. I need more silence. Oh, what's up, my guys? Welcome to my first video.
Yo.
So my guy's a girl. Sorry, I don't want to be sexist here.
Whoa, you're sexist, buddy.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wait, what does he do? My lord. We're finding family.
Did this crash?
Oh, wait,
Nope.
look, it's Virginia.
You guys crash yet?
It shows Virginia as a missing person.
You guys crash yet?
No, did you?
Oh yeah, you have to wait for me, don't you? You have to wait for me, I think.
Wait, I think Virginia's family all died. Don't you
Oh my
agree?
god, why are my graphics so bad right now? Oh
My
my
graphics
god,
are
why are my graphics so bad? Why
Fire.
the pixels? Oh god.
Demons. Yo.
39 FPS.
Whoa, we're getting shot at. Blood, man, they pull up on us.
I'm about 39 FPS.
Hold on,
god.
blood.
Oh god, it's going down.
Oh crap, no, fisheye. Kevin, I'll save you, Kevin. No, why can't I grab him? I need to save Kevin.
I can't even
I
use it on my
have
arm.
I
crap.
have
Oh crap.
Light demon.
I gotta wait for it to respawn.
Oh god, the graphics are sucking.
Necessary things. Close that. Close that.
No.
Yes.
Fisheye, no.
Close that.
No, fisheye.
Close Deem.
I'm
Fisheye,
watching
no.
everything happen still. Oh.
Fisheye.
No, Kevin's dead. I'm watching.
I don't know
I
my
cannot
stuff.
Fisheye drowned and I'm sad.
Headset, wait. There's Kevin.
Fisheye, where are you guys at?
Oh, that was
Swim.
that was super hard.
Swim. No, it wasn't. I put it on super survival hard, okay, guys?
What? No. No, there's no way.
I wanted it to be a challenge. Who's that?
You're gonna attack us right away.
Oh, why you jumping me? Just kidding, it's on no.
Normal.
Whoa, buddy, why you have a
If it's
cheaper
not
rhino?
normal, we're screwed. Like
Ooh.
it's spawning right away.
Did I finally load? I see nothing but black.
I'm loading in now.
I guess I was watching the screen. We crashed already.
I just straight. That was terrible to watch.
Open emergency
Yo, who's the
only.
guy?
Me.
Is that like the main boss? Is gonna be a boss fight? Oh, cool.
Okay, I think I loaded
Gun.
fully.
I like the gun he got.
Here you go, Kevin. I'll save you.
Oh,
Yeah, I
boy,
think I loaded fully.
Why is the
I missed
FPS
this
so
guy.
low?
Oh, I see you. I see you
I
swimming.
see markers. I see markers.
Dude, I swear.
What is that thing
crap.
over there? Why are there people standing? Oh wait,
S. Skip.
Kevin, what
So
happened
let's
to
see.
you?
L and I are like the two most important
Kevin.
buttons.
Ooh.
Where's Kevin?
He's over
I
here.
think I already
saved him.
changed my thing.
See him? Wait, you're Kevin. Just kidding.
What's your name? Do you have a name? You don't even have a name.
Follow me. Follow
I gotta get
me,
the
buddy. Wait, he can't hear anymore. He's
Yeah. His ears are like all busted open. So what?
I'm gonna
But
throw a
L,
pebble at you. Where are you?
I. Press I.
Oh,
I gotta
buddy, you almost
change my
got hit in the head with
graphics.
a pebble.
Oh,
Can
no.
you put hotkeys on stuff?
Yeah.
Cash, how do you open your inventory?
How do you?
Hold on. I
thank
gotta
you.
change stuff. I gotta change stuff.
Okay,
gotta
let's see. I
press-
need to.
I just
Open
changed it
emergency
to
pack.
ultra low. I just changed
Okay.
it to ultra
Or is it
low.
L? L
I'm
is
opening
lighter.
emergency
Did I
pack.
die? I have no idea if I died.
Equip
X.
one.
Now let
Oh
me
my
press
lord,
I.
there's so much electronicals. I'm
I-
gonna start. I'm gonna murder you.
Wait, I can't move. What's going on here? Why can't? How do I get
Well,
out of this?
MREs.
B for book. Okay. Wait, I gotta find out how to put
Oh
on
yeah,
hotkey.
it's also I to open.
I know. Thank you for telling me that. Okay, let's see.
so
What else do I
that
have?
and-
I know how to
one?
play this game.
I know you
What?
know how to play this game, Cash.
I'm
lighter
yelling at
fix
my
free.
UI. I was
My
yelling at my
hotkey
UI.
for my
I'm
ass.
so
Okay, guys,
sorry.
I have a whole bunch of ammo. I have packs of food. I have medical items. I'm stealing everything because I'm a loot hog. So you guys gotta beat me to the loot.
Well, I'm trying to
Oh,
figure
I'm
out
gonna
my
go
I
jump
hotkeys.
also
these
think
birds.
we have separate loot. We might have.
Get jump birds. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Because if
Ooh.
you look over here, I think we have
Oh,
separate loot.
get owned, get owned.
Because I'm picking up the
Wait,
flares
I-
and all that.
Oh yeah, we probably all do have separate loot.
Oh, cool, I got
Yeah,
grenades.
it's probably so people
Hey, I
don't
got the-
like
guys, I
overload
got
on
the grenade.
one thing.
Yo, guys, look at this.
Make sure you don't explode the grenades near other people.
Wait, you can blow up all the trees. Wait.
I know you could kill Kevin with the grenade. Hey,
Wait, I'm gonna
Cash,
blow
We don't want to
guys.
kill Kevin. We don't kill Kevin.
Cash, look at this.
Burp.
His name's Jerry.
Yeah,
There you go.
I
I'm
got a
giving
lot
to
of
you.
wood for us, guys.
Oh, I could steal your loot. Just kidding, I could give you loot.
Yeah, I think I can give you loot too.
Pressing
Learn
every
basics
button
with me.
I have.
No. Stop.
Lighter.
I have my graphics on ultra low. Nothing's happening.
Look at him.
Damn it, I got a walkie.
Yo, you got a walkie, blood?
No.
You sound so low quality. Here you go, you want my bird head? How do you drop the bird head?
I'm trying to figure out wait, what are my hotkeys?
How do I drop, Cash? How do I drop?
I don't know.
It's
I'm
G.
trying to. So
I gotta.
Hey guys,
I gotta link my axe up with hotkeys.
How do you do that?
I already did that. You open I and you press 1 on the axe after you open up your mechanical item. Okay guys, there's a cave this way. Let's go spelunking.
Okay, so press 1 on axe.
Okay, let's get
I'm
it's
already
getting a little
screwing up
dark.
here.
Is the watch even useful?
Oh wait, there is okay, I'm going over here guys. See you later, smellies.
You shouldn't just run off, man. We're all getting. Oh, I got an axe.
Oh wait, could some of you guys come with me? It's kind of scary over here. I know there's loot. There's little. I watched a person do a
what's it
Let's Go
on? If
video.
it's on normal, we should be fine for now.
It is on normal.
Hey, I'm gonna go with you, Alex. If you're W, I think you're W.
I am
No,
W.
don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Come with me, man. I'm a W. Nah, Nathan, you're safe. Get over here for free loot.
What am I
Free
even?
loot.
What am I?
I'm running
I
in
don't
the
know what
cave,
I
guys.
am.
You'll never
Dude,
find me alive.
wait, what? How do you?
Guys,
the
it's
pause
scary
button?
in here.
Where's my graphics?
Wait, there's a
Wait.
barrel, or no, there's a.
Oh, it's this
cans
place. There. I know
outside.
I know there's loot in here. Get in here. Okay, open up this.
Okay.
There's more
Now I
flares.
got better graphics. now.
Okay, there's
Oh
ammo.
god, that's so much better.
My computer
That
is not liking this.
Mine are,
Oh, there's a
mine's on
skull.
high.
Oh crap! They got jumped. They got jumped.
Wait for me.
They got jumped.
Oh yeah,
man.
remember to keep an eye on your stuff,
Oh yeah.
like
I have such
food and all that.
Location of the island.
Bye, Dad.
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot we have lighters.
19 FPS. Oh god, I gotta turn my graphics on medium.
I'm on low.
I'm doing really fine. I ain't lagging at all.
What's yours on?
Yeah, it might be because you're like hosting.
I'm on high.
Mine's on
oh, yeah, no, I'm on
medium,
custom.
and I'm
I'm
on
on
a
custom.
21 FPS.
I got a skull, guys.
No, give it.
Oh, guys, come on
Hey,
over
I
here.
got
Oh, there's
newspaper,
something
I
that's
got
gonna jump us.
newspaper.
What was that? I just saw something down there. Yo, guys, come on. I'll protect you. Yo, foe, you come to the
Yo,
Yo,
wrong
I
Jerry,
have
I
a
can't
knifing.
see
I have a
Jerry.
knife. I have a knife, dude.
You better
Don't
protect
worry.
me, man.
I can't move. Oh, look at this explosive barrel. Oh wait, it's the
Ooh,
other
make
side.
sure we don't hit that. Make sure
Oh
we
wait, I
don't
think
hit
the
that.
blind guys are in here. I think the weird blind ones that don't have eyes are in here.
What,
They
clickers?
can only see light. They can only see
Oh
light.
my god!
Wait, swing
Sorry.
Turn
it.
off your light.
Back.
Turn off your light. Turn off your light.
No, we didn't run into any yet. Once we run into them, we gotta turn off our light. They
I'm
can-
gonna
I already
sacrifice
have
you,
my light
okay?
off because I just have my brightness at
come
max.
here,
Wait,
wait,
so
wait,
like-
wait. It says I can hold E on you. Wait, who's in front of me? Who's
That's how
in
you.
front of me?
Look up.
Wait,
That's
okay,
Cat.
That's Alex.
Alex.
Okay,
wait.
let's see. I got circuit board.
Why does it
Well, I'm
hold
looking
E
at
on
my
you?
stuff,
Wait,
okay.
Can I give stuff? I can give stuff to you. Wow. We can give
Yep.
stuff to
Yeah,
you.
you can give stuff to people. Let's go.
I'm not giving anything.
I lost
How do you
Terry.
crouch? Remind you to use the crouch.
Hold control.
Yeah, it's control.
I know we can find a katana.
Oh yeah, make
I
sure
think-
you don't run.
What was that?
too.
You hear that
Make
humming?
sure you don't run.
Humming means nothing. If you see this guy, the guys down here don't have eyes. They don't got eyes, so they can't see us. But
Thank you,
say-
Cash.
They like.
They can't see. They can't see. You have to get armor. You get special armor.
Oh yeah, isn't it the weird flash
It's called
armor,
creepy-
or am I
it's called
thinking
creepy armor,
the
creepy
forest?
armor. Creepy armor. It's creepy.
Yeah, that armor. Oh
Good
no,
water
it's the
creatures.
shark area.
I need
It's
to
the
get
shark
some-
area.
What,
We're
there's
safe.
sharks?
Yeah,
No,
this is the
it's only
shark
in deep
area.
water.
I
It's
saw
only
it in
deep
the
water.
YouTube
This isn't deep
video.
enough water. There's no shark.
No, this is the
Whoa.
shark area.
Whoa, what happened to this guy? Is this
Oh,
eyes
you're
gone?
right.
Wait.
You just hit me, man.
His
I'm
eyes
almost
are
dead. And you
You
almost
don't
killed
dodge?
me.
You don't dodge in this. He's in
You almost
the forest.
killed me.
You dodge.
I walked in front of you and you just
Oh,
absolutely hit me.
I died. They got me. They got me. They got me.
Oh my god!
He one
Run,
shot me.
Cash, run! Run, Cash,
Got
run!
me.
Cash,
He
run!
got me.
It can't see me. It can't see me. It can't see me. I don't have my light out. Stay away, you
He got me
nasty
good.
critter!
Get up here, man. They're gonna jump you, Cash.
Dude, I just saw you. Dude, they're in a
Nasty
circle.
critter! I'm
They're in
gonna
a
kill
big
you.
circle. They're in a big circle.
I'll come help you,
I
Cash.
don't wanna interact with them.
Dude, they
I don't
one
wanna
shot me.
interact with them.
It's swimming. It's swimming, Cash.